For generations, illness was something people could only endure, manage, or accept. But today, science is beginning to reach deeper into the very code that makes us who we are. Gene therapy is one of the most powerful advances in modern medicine. By targeting faulty genes, it offers the possibility of changing the course of inherited disease. For some, it represents hope. For others, it raises difficult questions about safety, fairness, and the limits of human intervention. According to leading health and research institutions such as the World Health Organization and the National Institutes of Health, gene therapy has shown promising results in treating certain genetic conditions, while still carrying risks and ethical challenges that continue to be studied. What happens when science offers a choice, but no guarantee? When parents must decide not just what is possible, but what is right. This is the story of one family, standing at the intersection of love, science, and uncertainty.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Thank you for waiting. Saan po yung ma'am? Munti Mayor. Okay. Roy Montemayor. So, atong pag-exutan karon ni sir and ma'am about sa inyong baby. Sa result niyo siya. So, ma'am and sir, kabinog maayo, ang inyong anak na ay genetic defect.
Ano rin ang genetic defect po, Dok?
Ang genetic defect, muna siya ang na-ay defect sa genes sa imong anak, naapektuhan ang genes sa imong anak.
So may possible buhaton, Dok, para maayo ang among bata?
Na ako'y recommend sa inyo ma'am and sir para matambalan ang inyong baby, which is ang gene therapy.
Ano rin ang gene therapy po, Dok?
Ma'am and sir, ang gene therapy muna siya ang nag-treat sa diseases by correcting the roots genetic problem and also working to replace faulty genes and activate problematic ones or add healthy genes to help cells function properly.
What if, Doc, dili may mag-proceed sa gene therapy?
So ano na lang ma'am, tagaan sa tumog time ni sir para mag-storya regarding ato. Tapos pag makadecide na mo ma'am, balik na lang sa amin rin ma'am.
Okay, sure, Doc.
Okay, Dok. Salamat kayo.
With every scientific breakthrough comes ethical responsibility. Gene therapy raises complex moral questions, including concerns about safety, accessibility, and the possibility of unintended consequences.
Lago sa mahimuon na to, isa decision na to sa atong baby.
Para sa guys, mas anay guro nga yung proceed lang tap sa gene therapy para may balaan nato sa condition sa atong baby kung sa mga possible nga mahitabo.
Sige, maadun lang tawag makang, Doc, balik ingon na to itong decision.
Parents must weigh the promise of improvement against the risks of an experimental treatment, knowing that science does not always offer certainty.
Uy, good morning sir, good morning ma'am.
Good morning, Dok.
Kumusta naman sir? Kumusta decision na ninyo sir and ma'am?
Decision na namo sa pag-misis sa ating doktor sa proceed namo sa gene therapy ang baby ko para sa yung
Maayo. Sige. Pirmahan, nasa ko ipapirmahan sa inyo ma'am and sir ha, para napamatuod ng insugot mo na ipa-gene therapy ang inyong baby. So, pirma lang dali sir. Okay.
nakuha naman ako.
Ikaw ma'am, pirma lang dali ma'am. Sige ma'am, sir, thank you kaayo. Tawagan lang tama sa yung schedule. Thank you kaayo. Salamat.
For families, deciding whether to proceed with gene therapy is not just a medical choice, but a deeply personal one. Hope, fear, love, and responsibility all play a role. In this moment, parents must decide how far they are willing to go in trusting science with their child's future.
Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. Nanay,
Alami sa kahimtang no, awa atong anak, makadula-dula siya sa iyahang kuya, nalingaw jud siya.
Gani no, may gani atong gi-proceed ang decision nato nga magpa-gene therapy para sa kuan sa atong anak.
Gani no.
In some cases, gene therapy leads to positive outcomes. When treatment is successful, it may improve a child's physical abilities and overall quality of life. These moments highlight the potential of biotechnology to transform lives, offering hope not only to one family, but to future generations facing similar conditions. However, not all medical interventions result in success. Despite advancements in science, gene therapy may not always produce the desired outcome. These situations remind us that technology has limits, and that not all genetic conditions can be cured through scientific means alone.
Chad, magdula to Chad. Hindi ko idris sa buloy, kasi sila mama ning lakaw. Pero magdula ta. Makaya ni mo Chad. Ang dirit na lang ta, uy, kibasi nakasukan ta ni mama. At paglingkod na lang dira Chad, magsalyari na lang ta. Malukoy, yari sa akong mangod, uy.
When outcomes fall short of expectations, the weight of the decision becomes heavier. What was chosen in hope may now be questioned in reflection. In moments like this, parents are left not only facing the limits of science, but also the emotional burden of uncertainty, wondering whether a different choice might have led to another future. These two possible outcomes reflect the reality of gene therapy. A balance between promise and risk. While science continues to advance, uncertainty remains a constant factor. The same decision can lead to different results. Should humans alter genetic traits? Who should have access to these technologies? And how do we define success when human lives are involved? While science moves forward, ethical responsibility must guide how these powerful tools are used. Gene therapy offers hope, but it also demands careful ethical reflection.